Do you like to do special things at Christmas time? Well, I do. I love to play the bagpipes or play the mandolin or play the guitar and entertain and sing along with everybody. So much fun. Dorothy, the wonderful dinosaur, guess what? At Christmas time, she loves to dance ballet. Lucia loves to dance ballet so much, and so does Katerina. So the three of them love to dance ballet for everybody in Wiggletown. And we love watching, playing along the music, singing along, and of course, dancing too.